Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about robotic system for sustainable development. First of all, I'm going to introduce the UN Sustainable Development Goals. In the following video, I'll use SDGs for short. SDGs are established by United Nations in 2015 as part of 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. There are 17 global goals. The main objects are to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy peace and prosperity by 2030. The reason why SDGs are so important is that they are urgent. Like many global challenges such as climate change, environmental problems, and social inequality are increasing rapidly. And also, they have long-term and global vision. They provide a long-term blueprint for government and society to follow the policy. According to International Federation of Robotics, there are two types of robots, industrial robots and service robots. For industrial robot, the definition is an automatically controlled, reprogrammable manipulator, and programmable in three or more axes. As for service robot, its definition is that robot in personal use or professional use that can perform useful tasks for human or equipment. Industrial robot can be divided to six big groups by category: agriculture, hunting and forestry, fishing, mining and quarry, electricity, gas and water supply, manufacturing, construction and education. There are more detailed sectors in each topic. For example, in manufacturing topic, there are assembling and disassembling, welding and soldering, handling operation, dispensing, and processing. Service robots are categorized according to personal or professional use. For personal use, we call it consumer robot, and it has three big topics. It is domestic task, social interaction and education robot, and care robot. As for professional robot, it has agricultural robot, professional cleaning robot, inspection and maintenance robot, construction, transportation and medical robot, search and rescue robot, and hospitality robot. For further detail, you can check the website in the reference page. Robot can play a crucial role across the SDGs by improving efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and enhancing productivity. For example, agricultural robot can end poverty and starving. Some robots are used to help us protect our land and underwater system. And speaking of climate change, which is one of the most severe dangers in our Earth, robots also can help us by generating green electricity from solar or winds. With robots, people can reach the goal of SDGs easier and faster. Alright, let's talk about Central Project. Central Project is using Tiago robot to help nurses to do their daily activity in care center. For example, Tiago robot can check the status light outside the room. When the light turns red, it means someone is calling for help. Tiago robot will send an alert to nurse station. Another task is that ensure all the patients are well. It will enter the room and scan the space. If an issue is detected, for example, a patient is on the floor, Tiago robot will send alert to nursing station immediately. Another benefit is that nurse now can select a video with the demonstration of physical exercise for patient and send the robot to the patient's room to display it on the screen instead of going in person, like this. The use of robot seems bring lots of advantage to both patient and nurse. However, the ethical considerations are much more important in this case. Firstly, protecting patients' privacy and personal information is very important. Ensure that it is only shared with authorized persons. Secondly, consent should be obtained without force, and individuals must have the capability to understand and agree to the service of treatment. Last, providers should ensure that while technology can help, it does not create a scenario where individuals become over-reliant on it. Thank you for listening.